We are launching a 3D film. You would have already got the press release. The title is Monsters of the Deep. We thought that before we go to the people, at least our press friends should have a first-hand experience so that, you know, it gets projected to the people in a better way. So that's why we thought, for the first time, let's have a press preview today. All of you can enjoy the show. It's a 10-minute show, around 11 minutes, 10 minutes 40 seconds or something, and gives a very good experience about the deep sea, especially very popular because nowadays you get a lot of 3D films. Commercial 3D films are also available, where you know, it's a 3-hour show. One of the things what we found that not much of scientific things are there in the commercial films what we come across, and that's why we decided that we should have such facilities in the science centers all over the NCSM network. This film will be there for 1 year with us, starting 21st of April, that's tomorrow, and by next April we'll have a new one in this place. What we have planned for the next 1 year, I thought that I should share with all of you. This, you know, many of the galleries what we have here are now needing some new look. So this year we are planning to take 2 upgradations. One is the engine hall, what you see in the ground floor, where we have the Wright Brothers flyer. That one we are going to upgrade and put it in a new form. Although the content may be same to a large extent, but then we are adding a lot of new things there to make it more interactive. Because artifacts, what you see there, the engines and all what are there, they are originals. You know, that add a very good strength to such exhibitions. Like when we talk about mechanics and we talk about automobiles. So that's why we'll change the things what are around there and make it more interactive. The second gallery we plan to upgrade is the BEL Hall of Electronics, which was set up in 2004. It has already lived almost now 10 years, 11 years. So we are going to upgrade that. We'll have some good exhibits there on robotics and then on virtual reality. I would like to share that, you know, one of the major works what has been handled by Visvesvaraya Museum as a part of the national network, the National Council of Science Museums, setting up of new science centers in the southern zone. You know, last February 27th we opened a science center in Dharwad, which was completely set up by Visvesvaraya Museum. Another science center in Coimbatore is ready for opening. We are just in touch with the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and our Minister, Honorable Minister of Culture, Government of India. So once we get the date, we will be opening. That is a regional level science center in Coimbatore, set up in about 9 acres of area. 4,000 square meters is the built-up area. Similarly, we have just completed another science center in Mangalore, in Pilikula. So we should have opened it by now, but in the meanwhile the election code of conduct came and then we had to stay put. So probably the moment elections are over, by June we are likely to have another science center in Karnataka, that will be in Pilikula, Mangalore. We are setting up another center in Pondicherry, which will be completed by the end of this year. I mean, the building is almost ready, the exhibit works are going on, and then we are likely to complete it by September or October. These are the three new facilities which will come up in the southern zone as such, and one in Karnataka, definitely in Pilikula. Another new gallery, see, we always felt that mathematics is a subject where children are very, very scared of mathematics. So we thought of having a new interactive gallery on mathematics in Gulbarga. Gulbarga we have a district science center. So that needs we built up a new building there. An additional building has been put up there. So there we will be having a new gallery on mathematics. In Tirupati we have another science center, our own regional science center. This year we will be adding a 8-meter dome digital planetarium in Tirupati. That zone does not have any planetarium. The nearest one is in Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh, or you have to go to Chennai. For our Tirunelveli Science Center, we are adding a new mobile exhibition on agriculture. This museum is going to have a new facility again. We call it the Idea Lab. This is a new concept what we are bringing in to develop innovative thinking in children. We call that Idea Lab and Innovation Hub. That's what we are going to name it. That will have several things, like one, there will be a digital access library will be there with digital access to various science activities, science center activities, e-books. Then we'll have some kiosks where we'll talk about various innovations which have happened in different fields of science, which can be accessed online by them when they are here. Then we are going to have another section where we will be having some state-of-art technologies, like the demonstrations of STM, ATM, biotechnology, nanotechnology. Some hands-on experiences will be given to the children there. And another section is where we call to make models and kits out of waste. We give them the guidance, give them the material. And we have seen that, especially small children, even if you give them two plastic bottles and a straw, rubber band, they come out with so unusual things. It's their creativity. See, this is what we want to tap. Make them think creatively, make them innovative in thinking in a different line. So this lab, when it will be set up, we will be in a position to probably augment this creative thinking and innovative thinking in the earth. Then we made another one on 9 planets. Now it is 8 planets. So that has been modified anyway. But originally it was 9 planets, and then we modified it to 8 planets. So we are also in that process. We develop 3D films, which are like rightly you said that you want to bring some awareness. Those films, they bring awareness. These are more, more, there is an entertainment component is more in this. And that, that wow component, that suddenly you see a monster coming out and then people go back. Those type of feelings will be more in this.